Hello, my name is Lee. Today we're going to unbox the SM6 microscope. We have the instruction manual. Here we have the microscope, and we can put this to one side. Remove all the packaging. In this box here, we have all the pieces we need. Let's have a look what's in the box. So we've got the armrests, 2 of those. We also have the screws for the armrests and an Allen key to do those screws. We also have a special key for replacing any of the binoculars. We also have eye caps for the microscope. We have the foot which adjusts the angle of the base plate. This is the base plate. This is the microscope handpiece holder, and this is the microscope. Here we have a replacement shutter, some rubber feet, and we have 2 screws to hold in things tight. Here we have the tilt adjustment foot. Let's start assembly. We have the 2 hand rests, and there's a left and a right. These get screwed facing towards you and not away from you. Using the Allen key screws, we attach the hand rests. First we do one side, and now we do the other. Once the hand rests are on, we then take our foot and we screw this on the back like so. There are rubber feet we can attach should the microscope be on a slippery surface. Next, we take the handpiece holder and we slide this on, and we take one of our screws and attach like so. Now we can take our microscope and again we tighten this up. This is adjustable should we require a different height, if you have bigger hands or smaller hands, or you need more space underneath. We then take the eye cups and we place those over the lenses. Now we can take our handpiece and we can now slide our handpiece into the handpiece holder, taking our last screw and screwing this in securely. Now we're ready to connect the microscope to the machine. This simply plugs into the back of the machine, indicated by the microscope symbol. Ensure this is screwed in tightly before first powering on the machine. We can see the LED light is on, and now we're ready to focus the microscope. First of all, we first focus our right eye using the main focus on the end of the welding tip. Once this is in focus, we can then, with the left eye, focus this independently so both eyes are perfectly in focus. And now we're ready to test the shutter function. In the settings menu, we select the shutter function. This is indicated by an eye. We can press that and we can look through, and yes, it's dark. This is indicating that the shutter is now closed. We press it again, and now we can see our welding tip again. And now we go back to our home menu and we're ready to weld. I hope you found the video to setting up the microscope helpful. For more information on Lampert Precision Welding, you can click on the links below.